Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Jenny's the Crazy Country Couponer. The place where we have a few minutes of fun and talk about saving money almost every other day. And you want to know because we got some stuff to talk about, so come on in. And on your way in, please like and share the video. It is so important, especially right now. And if you start right now before I begin my prattle, we'll have it all done by the time I get done. So like, share, and if you're not one of our subscribers or crazy friends, well, let's get you hooked up right now. Look below and hit the subscription button and that notification bell. That way you will never, ever miss a deal, steal, glitch, free stuff, or awesome information. Yeah, or just hanging out for a little bit and, well, relaxing, hopefully. Okay, everybody, thank you very much. And while I was doing all that talking, hopefully everybody did the like, share, subscribe emoji, and comment. Yes, please, and do that to all your content providers, particularly right now. If you're visiting the content, even if you don't like it, react to it, please, because it is so important to those people that take the time to make this content. Because even if you watched it and you didn't like it, you still watched it. Okay. Everybody, thank you again very, very much for being my crazy friends and for coming back by and seeing me. I truly appreciate it. And to show my appreciation, well, let me tell you what I found yesterday. I didn't get out but the two little stores yesterday. I had to work. And I have to work a double today. So I may miss out on the majority of this clearance again this time. So that's three clearance events in a row that I've actually had to work because they've made them so on the spare of the moment, like a week away, 2 weeks away. Too late to ask for those days off. Excuse me, guys. It's Papa Top time. But y'all know what I'm popping the top to, right? Another deal I'm about to tell you about. Yeah. But let's start with what I found on the clearance because it's so important. I found a huge jumbo box of Pampers. Now, I really thought this coupon would attach, but after I came home and investigated, no, it does not attach. This $3 coupon only attaches to the $11 bags of Pampers, but that is a good coupon for an $11 bag of Pampers, just so you know. But not as good as this deal. Check your stores if you have kids that wear size 6 Pamper diapers, because the jumbo boxes are on clearance and they are going to be $19. Yeah. I love those notifications. Sometimes they come at the perfect moment, like a drum roll. Yeah, every time I forget to cut my do not disturb on. But that's a really good deal because it's half price. And if you pick up more than one of those or include that in any of your scenarios, we've got that 5 off 25 and we've got that 10 off of 40. If you're able to find 2 of those boxes, which there was 2 at my store, and pick up both of those boxes, and then just something else because you're going to be right at $40. You're going to only need like $2 for $40. So pick up something else and you'll save an extra $10 on those Pampers. I mean, you can't beat it.
Thank you so much, babe.
Now, next up. New stuff just posted this morning. We've got Stouffer Earns family size meals. $2 on these Stouffer family size meals that you'll get back, okay? And I wanted to let you know the old El Paso deal that I showed you a few days ago is glitching. I got my earns back. So, coupon and earn. Particularly if the coupon says, such in that case, buy 3. Okay, and save $1. You buy 3, you get your earns on your extra items because it only counts that one coupon from what I can figure out. So, let me tell you, if you've got to earn on a product and a coupon, clip both because we don't know what is going to glitch, particularly if you're going to use it. But we do know the coupon will come off first. So, if it does glitch, yay! Double money. And if it doesn't, you still got your deal. Now, the Stouffer's only has earns on it that I can see, but it's a $2 earn. That's a really good high-end price for a $2 earn. There it is. Okay. Now, this is only working on regular Playtex that I can see. And it is $4 off of one 36 count, which is $8 and change, plus $1 earn, okay? Earn for the 32 count. So, if you were to pick up that, you would get $5 off. Your out-of-pocket would be $3.25, hopefully. But even if it wasn't, it'd be $4.25. A really good deal. Because these are things that we have to have, okay? Not that we might need, but we have to have. Okay, let's start off by showing you my little haul that I got yesterday. And one of these was a surprise item, so you for sure want to know. I'm talking about these foam True Living paper plates. These are regularly $4. They were on clearance for $1, okay? So go check these out. They had an entire box full. I picked up 3. There is 100 plates. That's 300 plates. If I use one plate a day, that's almost a year's supply for me. Okay? I still got paper plates from the last time we had paper plates. So, let's look at the UPC. There you go. That's a $9 savings just in 3 alone. Now, next up, when I first seen these bowls, I thought, man, those are pretty. I wish I had more room. They're fed more people. These are $6 a piece, okay? These are really, really pretty bowls. I got them for $1.50 a piece, guys. Beautiful bowls. And I'm looking at making gifts out of them. Putting in some brownie mix, maybe some wooden utensils, and packaging them up. They are beautiful bowls, mixing bowls, like I said. It's labeled as pasta bowls. I guess you could use it as a pasta bowl. But for $1.50, you can't barely buy plastic for $1.50. So 2 of these bowls is awesome. Next up, well, this got my eye when I very first seen it. Only I wasn't paying no $8. Because I always had a metal bread box, and I still have one, but it is huge. It's like it would hold 4 loaves of bread. So it now resides just in a place of honor on the top of my cabinets and holds other stuff. But this little bread box that will hold 1 loaf of bread for 1 person, oh yes. So yes, I did. I picked that one up. And what did I pay for it? Let's see. I think I paid like... Oh, I don't have that receipt out here. I only paid like $2.50 for that. Something like that. $2. It wasn't very much, guys. So, now, next up are these little things back here. $1. The tablecloths, $1.37. So that's my little bit of haul for the clearance, okay? I only made it to 2 little stores. But let's talk about the deals that you can still do today. Okay, guys. We're going to pick up 6 12-packs because they are buy 2, get 1 free pretty much. So 3 for $15 and it's mix and match so you can get whatever you want. Pepsi, Coke, Mountain Dew. Yes, even better. Then we got a $2 coupon. Okay, you know I'm going for the Coke products. So, $2 coupon. Then you're going to pick up 3 bags of Hershey candy. That buy 2, get 1 free, $5.50. And you got that $3 coupon. Okay, you're at $41. That's going to give you that $10 off, and your final out of pocket is $26 out of pocket. Your total savings on this is $29 though, because you're getting two 12 packs absolutely free. Now, next up, we got this one right here, guys. We talked about the Crazee detergent. If you haven't tried it, this is your opportunity to try it at an absolutely incredible price. Okay, so 3 bottles of Crazee. You've got a $1.50 digital coupon, and if you've got earns, you've got dollar earns, and they will work. Okay, and then you've got that 5 off for spending 15. So 3 of the $5.95 bottles of Crazee, and you're going to get the 3 12 packs. You're going to buy 2, get 1 free for $15. You got $2 off. And then you're going to get 3 of those bags of the Hershey candy for $11. And you got another $3 off. And then the 10 off. You've got $21.50 coming off right here. So your out of pocket is actually $21.50. So exactly 50% off. But then better yet, you get your earns back. So you were at $19.50 out of pocket. This is a phenomenal deal, guys, because this is only a few dollars more than your Crazee, and then at least your candy and your 12 packs are close to being free. So there you go. 2 awesome deals for today. And a little sneak peek at some of more clearance items that you may have missed. So blessings. Have a great shopping day, and I'll see you again real soon. And don't forget, I want to hear what you got on the clearance sale. So put it in the comments. Let's see how good you did.